Taffy's Texas Kitchen, and today we're in Midland, Texas on our spring break here with my daughter Julie. And today we're going to be making two versions of peach cobbler. One is a dump cake that we've seen on TikTok, and then the other is just the traditional version. So we're going to make both of those today. And we're going to get everything together and we'll be right back.
Okay, I'm doing the peach cobbler from scratch. And so the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven 350, and then like a Dutch baby, you put a whole stick of butter in the pan and let it melt in the oven.
Then we're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk.
Oh, I can. Yay.
And we'll put the recipes down in the description.
Cup of flour. Cup of milk.
Or you can also use a cup of self-rising flour, and then you don't have to add the baking soda or salt.
1 teaspoon and a half baking powder.
Half a teaspoon. And about a half a teaspoon of salt. Our butter's melted.
Okay, just like a Dutch baby, we're gonna just take the batter and pour it right into the butter.
But we're going to drain our peaches, and that's kind of up to you. Well, some people like to have more juice in it, but we don't really like it like that. We just like the peaches. That's up to you, that you remember eating it, if it had juice in it or not. So that's up to you, but we drain it.
Okay, now we put the whole can of peaches in it.
29-ounce can of peaches. And then you just want to just spread the peaches around. You don't want to stir them into the mixture. You just want to make sure they're evenly placed on top of it.
And then, this is just me, but I like to put a little bit of brown sugar and cinnamon on top. Just to add like an extra layer.
There's probably maybe 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar.
It's probably a couple teaspoons of cinnamon.
I'm just going to cook for 50 minutes. Okay, I'm going to make the peach dump cake, and this takes the 29-ounce can of peaches, and you dump it in, juice and all. And these are to be made in a 9x13 pan. And then we're going to use one just regular yellow box cake. Try to sprinkle it over evenly. If you're here, we have our little baby here too, granddaughter. Genevieve. I'm just spreading that over evenly. And then you'll want to cut your butter into slices. And then place that over the whole top. And then the butter and the juice from the peaches is what helps, gives the liquid to the cake. this is also going to cook for 50 to 55 minutes. And then we'll be back when they're both done and we'll show you how they look.
This is my version. This is the version from scratch. Trisha's gonna taste test it. The batter was kind of similar to like the Dutch baby, so except for without eggs. Does it kind of taste like that?
It tastes really good.
Eggs.
That's good. Okay, now this is the dump cake version of the peach cobbler. Trisha's going to try that one too, and then we're going to see what the difference is. If she likes either one any better.
Oh, I forgot Trisha's one of those.
And more than anything, more than most people
I think this one tastes more like peach cobbler.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the other one taste like?
The other one tastes more like a cake.
Huh.
But this one feels crispy on the top.
All right, well, Trisha prefers the dump cake version, so there you go. I just had a piece of both of the peach cobblers, the dump cake and the traditional peach cobbler, and they're both really good and they're both easy to make. The dump cake is a lot sweeter, so if you're not really into things that are too sugary or sweet, you may not like it, but they're both really good and they're easy. So hope you guys have a good evening. Remember to show kindness to others, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Like and subscribe.